What if I told you that two drones can look almost the same in the sky, but one is filming a wedding while the other could change the outcome of a war? Sounds extreme, right? Today, we're breaking down the real, powerful difference between military drones and civilian drones, and why that difference matters more than most people realize. Hey everyone, welcome back. Glad you're here. Grab a seat, relax, and let's talk about drones. Not just as flying machines, but as tools that shape modern life and modern conflict. At their core, drones are unmanned aircraft, no pilot inside, controlled remotely or assisted by software. Originally, drones were developed for military purposes, to reduce risk to soldiers and gather information from the air. Over time, the technology became smaller, cheaper, and more accessible. That's how drones moved from battlefields to backyards, from war zones to wedding venues. But even though military and civilian drones share a similar name, they are built for very different worlds. Let's break it down, step by step. Let's start with civilian drones. These are the drones most people recognize. They're used for photography, filmmaking, mapping, farming, inspections, and even search and rescue. Civilian drones are designed with three main goals in mind: ease of use, safety, and efficiency. They usually fly for a short time, anywhere from 15 minutes to about an hour. Their range is limited. Their cameras are powerful, but focused on visuals, not warfare. Most importantly, civilian drones are strictly regulated. They must follow flight rules, altitude limits, no-fly zones, and privacy laws. In simple terms, civilian drones exist to help industries create content and solve practical problems. Now, let's shift gears. Because when we talk about military drones, we're entering a completely different story. Same sky, very different mission. Main story: military drones are built for survival and dominance. They are designed to fly long distances, sometimes for many hours or even days. Some can cross countries, others operate via satellite from thousands of kilometers away. Unlike civilian drones, military drones carry advanced sensors: infrared vision, radar, signal intelligence, and encrypted communication systems. Their data links are protected against hacking and electronic interference. And yes, some of them are armed. These drones can track movement, monitor large areas in real time, and support military decisions on the ground. Their purpose is not convenience. Their purpose is strategy, security, and control. And that leads us to the biggest difference of all. The real difference between military drones and civilian drones is intent. Civilian drones are designed to observe and assist. Military drones are designed to observe, decide, and act, sometimes with lethal consequences. That's why military drones are governed by rules of war, not civilian flight laws. Their use involves ethics, international law, and serious political responsibility. This is also why turning a civilian drone into a weapon is considered a major security threat. It blurs a line that exists for a reason. Here's a fascinating fact. Many modern civilian drones use technology that originated in military research: GPS guidance, stabilization systems, and autonomous navigation. So in a way, every civilian drone carries a small piece of military history inside it. But how that technology is used makes all the difference. So let's simplify it. Civilian drones focus on creativity, productivity, and safety. Military drones focus on intelligence, endurance, and power. They may look similar from the ground, but their missions could not be more different. So what's the difference between military drones and civilian drones? It's not just size, it's not just technology, it's purpose, control, and consequence. One is built to improve daily life, the other is built to protect or challenge national security. And understanding that difference helps us better understand the world we live in today. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, I appreciate you spending your time here. Take care, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.